welcome to Gateway Bronco. My name's Seth Burgett, CEO and founder. Today's a wonderful 70-degree day in the Midwest. Let's go take a Bronco for a drive. People ask me if you can use a Bronco as a daily driver, and I'm gonna say absolutely yes. We're on a country road in Illinois, and this owner put about 6,000 miles on the vehicle. He used it as his primary home in the Northeast and his vacation home in Florida. And this was the only vehicle he had, so it was absolutely his daily driver. 6,000 miles, the vehicle is in absolutely perfect condition and drives like a dream. It's got a leather-covered steering wheel, leather-covered dash. It's got our base level interior, wood bed in the back. What a beautiful day. We're here to serve the client. What they want is what we do. So if you want the Friday Night Lights Bronco from a movie, no problem. If you want a daily driver like this vehicle with a patented convertible top, that's what we'll provide. If you like a Shelby product with a Raptor R powertrain, manual transmission, we are here to serve you. And that's a part of our model. We're not as fast as our competitors. We build the best product with the best driving experience of any Bronco in the market. And it also happens to be the safest Bronco. You've got a Bronco in your garage, in your barn, or in your collection that you'd like to be able to make better than it is today, reach out to us. We take vehicles all the time that are owned by the client and that they would like to take it to the next level. And you decide what level you'd like to take it. If it wants to be a full build from top to bottom like this Bronco, no problem. If you like to do a powertrain upgrade, to a Coyote powertrain or an original carbureted V8. We do it all the time. If you like a discovery call, it takes 10 minutes to understand your use case, what you'd like to do, and how you'd like it to end up. And we can see if we can serve you. This is Gateway Bronco. We're delivering dreams to driveways every week, and we'd be thrilled to deliver a dream to your driveway.